Let's do a me-made recap for autumn 2025. This is all the things that I've been sewing, making and creating. Some of them are in the tutorials and a lot of them are behind the scenes. Enjoy as you watch all the things that might inspire you to have a comfy life. Well, that was a super whiz through of our season. Can't believe that we're already at the end of May and heading into winter for 2025. You may be heading into summer, of course, if you're in the Northern Hemisphere, and hopefully all my tutorials are going to be adaptable so that you can make things in fabrics that's suitable for your climate. Please join me next week because I'm going to look at a very mysterious product. It's stretch thread. Now, I've got high hopes for stretch thread. I think it's going to revolutionize how we make close necklines and close wrist openings, anything that needs to stretch. I really hope it's going to work because I've been seeing good things about this on socials, but we're going to test it out. And then, of course, we're going to go into some more exciting projects. So please do follow, subscribe, and like and comment. I'd love to have your input and keep coming with me as we create a really comfy life together.